How to split screen for multitasking. If you have 2 or more apps that support split screen function running in the background, you can split screen for multitasking. And here's how. Swipe up the bottom control bar to view the apps running in the background. Tap the app icon of the app that you want for multitasking. Tap Split Top. Then choose another app that you want for multitasking. Well done! Now you know how to multitask with your ASUS phone. There are some cool further features within. Tap the switch bubble to reverse the order of 2 apps. Drag the bar in the middle to adjust the size of the app screen. To cancel multitasking and split screen, just drag the bar all the way up or down. Multitask and increase your productivity like a pro. Subscribe to our ASUS Support channel, like the video and share your comments. We're happy to provide you with more useful information.